Alright everyone, Melford Hutchins again, making another video. I have the same fan, only in green, but it seems like it's a little older, but same blade set and everything. It's really a Galaxy, so I Sharpied it on there. This one here, I'm guessing, was the later 70s one, because it's only the 2-speed, and it's got like this look for the style of switching and the same knob, which I noticed were normally on the ones from the early 80s. Handle's not there, and the other one that I had the same blade set, the motor's slightly different looking too, but the knob's the more older retro looking one. This one here is only 2-speed. It's got low, high, and off, and there's the motor. I can't get a good shot of it because the badge is in the way, but it was in pretty rough shape, and I got it cleaned up really well. This was the front grill, and I put it on the back, so there's a couple slats missing. And then what was the back grill, there's only one missing. Here's high. It's got a distinct startup sound that I'll get for you guys. When I was growing up, I was like looking at the back of a box fan to be the more interesting looking part. You can see the motor. Runs pretty good. It's low. Close it to off, and I'll get the start up for you. It's got a good spin down. It's decent anyway. For some reason the blades do that, they go back a couple after it stops. So it's probably a little off balance. Here's the startup. Low. Alright, thanks for viewing my video.